Next tip. Next tip. Next tip. Next course. Not next question. Next tip. What's up, YouTube? If you don't know, I'm Jazz. If you do know what's up, I'm back. So first of all, y'all lit. For everybody that's already supporting me, everybody that's already joined me on my journey, thank y'all. Y'all are the real MVPs. Period. That's just here on me on period. But baby girl, baby boy, as you guys can tell by that title, as you guys can tell by that thumbnail, this is gonna be my advice to y'all. People with just have been telling me about starter locks and what I've personally researched on my own to find. So I'm gonna share this information with y'all because baby, y'all know this. Y'all gotta know this. Period.
And
So I have wrote down the tips that I'm going to be talking about. It's about 8 of them. So we're going to go ahead and get into business, baby. We're going to go ahead and spill this tea, baby. So your first tip is to keep your scalp moisturized at all times. Keep your scalp moisturized. Keeping your scalp moisturized will help from itching, and it'll help your hair grow longer and stronger. Like, who don't want longer and stronger locks, baby? Oh, so you can use oils like, and I will insert pictures of the oils. You can use the tea tree oils, coconut oil, olive oil, Jamaican castor oil, and this oil right here that I recommended in my last video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. The link will be here, I think, or here. It's gonna be up here. Link is in the description. Get to it. Not sponsored. Period. Next tip. So keep your hair protected. Like if you're just in the house chilling, laying around, throw a do-rag, stocking cap, bonnet, anything you can put on your hair while you're in the house, just so your hair can stay in place and won't move around and stuff and unravel, because then you're gonna be wasting your time, baby. You want your hair to stay twisted so they can lock faster. You better protect it with all of your heart. Next tip. Don't touch your hair. When I say touch, I mean like, you know how people get dreads and they start don't do that. Do not keep your hands out your hair. Now, when you first start, and y'all, I've experienced hella itching. So I pat baby, don't, because that scratching, you don't know where you're scratching if your hair is wrapped, so you can be scratching loose one of your twists. You don't want to do that. So give it a pat and keep it moving. Next tip. Use the same hairstylist when you first starting off. When you first starting off, let the person that started your hair keep twisting your hair until your hair has locked and matured for you to go to other people. Because the person that started your hair, let that person train your hair, okay? Why would you want to go to different people when you're trying to get your hair locked? Because everybody don't twist the same. So start with the same person. And by the way, if y'all need somebody to start y'all locks, check the description box. Next. Keep your hair tied down if you're washing it yourself. Now, if your stylist is doing it, they know what they're doing. Let them do what they're doing. But if you're going to wash your hair yourself, you need to have some extra do-rags, stocking caps, bonnets, well, not bonnets, but stocking caps or whatever you're going to have to hold your hair in place as you wash it. When you tie your hair down when washing it, it helps it keep it from unraveling. You don't want your twist to unravel, baby. You don't want them to unravel. So protect that hair. That goes back to that. Protect that hair. Next tip. When you first get your hair twist, not your first retwist, your first twist you want to wait a month and maybe a week or two before you wash your hair again, because this gives your locks time to mature. You don't need to be picking them, so just let them sit for that month and that week or two. Next tip, once your hair has matured, then you can start washing your hair every 1 to 2 weeks. Now, if you are a active person, meaning you do sports, you're in the gym, you might want to wash your hair every week. Some people can even rinse their hair. If you feel like you're washing your hair too much, just when you get in the shower, rinse it. And my last tip for you all is not to overwash your hair. Overwashing your hair can cause your hair to dry out, which causes itching. And do y'all know how aggravating itching is? You don't want your hair to itch. Moisturize, protect, don't touch, don't keep your hands out your hair, baby. We gonna have the most healthiest, strongest dreads ever. Beauty locks. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you have any advice for me to take that I didn't mention in this video, leave a comment below, because I'm always willing to take advice. These are starter locks, so I know there's much more that I gotta learn. So if y'all know anything, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe again for fun. Share, and share again for more fun. And I'm out. Bye.